Are you ready to transform your creativity? Introducing NanoFlow, the groundbreaking software that brings your words to life through stunning images. No setup required. Just log in and start creating. Step 1 is easy. Enter a text prompt, whether it's a client description or your own idea. Just like magic, NanoFlow generates unique visuals in seconds. With features powered by Google's advanced AI, you can create unlimited graphics, edit images using simple commands, and even sell your creations, all without any design experience. Imagine crafting eye-catching social media posts or captivating mock-ups for real estate. NanoFlow's 30-day money-back guarantee means you can try it risk-free. Don't miss this chance to join the revolution, son, in AI-powered image creation. Act now. Your creativity deserves it. Click the link to get started today.